Okay, I'm really excited. I've had some time to think over the holidays, time to just read, peruse the news, and you know, I have an investment opportunity. If you're looking to get 10 times earnings, 20 times earnings, possibly even 30 times earnings in this new year, in the next decade, there's an opportunity for you, and I think you should be as excited as I am about raising children as pro surfers. Over the years, we've seen, especially from 2000 to 2010, we saw millions and millions and millions of dollars being made by very young children. Do you have a young child? I think you do. What you can do with that young child is turn them into an investment portfolio that will float you into the future. Now, how to raise a pro surfer? I've got 3 easy steps for you here today. Number 1, I think, the number 1 thing you can do to raise a pro surfer. Show your young child pictures of how much money pro surfers make. I think you can show them on Instagram, scroll through Gabriel Medina's feed, let's say, Kolohe Andino's feed. You can show them the cars they drive, the clothes they wear, the beautiful people they hang out with. I think this is a great way to get your kid to think about the pro surfer lifestyle before you even begin surfing. Plant the seeds of how rich, how successful, and how famous professional surfers are. Again, Instagram is a great way to do that. I wouldn't start so much with the surfing as the lifestyle bits. Show how, tan those pro surfers are, how white their smiles are. I think all of these things will subconsciously go into your child and give them a desire to be like the pro surfer. Speaking of I think the second powerful step to raising a pro surfer, show them how admired professional surfers are. Show your child how much people like to be with professional surfers, hang around with professional surfers, how popular professional surfers are. I think a great way to get around to this is ask your kid, do you want to be stupid and unliked, or do you want to be very, very, very popular? Chances are they'll answer that they want to be very popular, and once they do answer that, you could say, hey, there's an easy way to be very popular. And really, I think in stark terms, ask your kid, dumb and hated or beautiful and popular? Have them choose. They'll make the right choice, trust me. Number 3, show them the beauty of the ocean. I think, of course, the ocean is a beautiful place filled with such magic and wonder. So many, it's beautiful. It's impossible to deny. You can ask your child also, look at this beautiful beach. Do you hate this beach? Chances are your kids will say no. You can ask your kid, are you an enemy of this beach? Are you an enemy of this ocean? Chances are, again, your child will say no. Now you are well along the way of, again, instilling the desire to be a pro surfer. Which brings us to number 4. Number 4, lie to them and tell them all of their heroes are also pro surfers. So if your kid is into Bob the Builder, let's say if your kid watches Bob the Builder on Nickelodeon in the morning, just casually drop, hey, did you know Bob the Builder is a pro surfer? If your daughter likes Ariana Grande, easy. Hey, did you know Ariana Grande is a pro surfer and a singer? Or you could even say she was a pro surfer before she was a singer, but her pro surfer lifestyle was likely better than what she's doing now. It's professional surfing is what launched Ariana Grande to become what she is today. These are white lies. They're not important lies. They're important to get your kid to be a pro surfer. And again, you will reap financial benefits from this small little lie. It's like anything, exactly like Santa Claus or anything else. It is a stretch of the truth that will make your child both happier and have more joy, and then of course later have more money. If none of that has worked, then number 5 is a surefire hit. Wake them up very early in the morning and tell them you're going to Disneyland. Put them in the car, strap them in the car seat, drive around maybe a little bit until they fall asleep, head straight to the beach. As soon as your child wakes up, they'll realize they're not in Disneyland. They'll also be a little disoriented, still tired, maybe still sleepy. Grab them right out of the car, into the wetsuit, onto the board, out to the waves. They will be, again, too discombobulated to put up any kind of fight. Next thing you know, you're pushing them into waves. They're standing on their way to becoming a professional surfer. Again, I think professional surfer for your child is the growth market of this next decade. I think that the financial windfall from a few very, very inexpensive steps that you can take as a parent, it's virtually free to make your child a pro surfer. You don't even need the initial seed investment here in order for this to grow. All you need is a child, and again, you are the parent, they are the child. Just don't let them push you around. Make your kid a pro surfer today. It is a win, 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 win for everybody. And I trust this little tutorial is going to be helpful to you, is going to be beneficial to both your bottom line and your spirituality. Please like and subscribe for more helpful hints on how to live your best life.